Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Yes, I'm standing in a doorway to get me out of the wind so you can hear what I'm saying. Some cars in the building are more special than others. In fact, they're all special because I like all our customers and all our customers' cars. But this one behind me over my right shoulder is very special. It's actually my stepdad's car. When he was younger in the 90s working in London, he used to see 993s drive up and thought one day I'll have one. He saved hard. And about 3 weeks ago, he brought it. It's his dream car. It is absolutely stunning. And as a Christmas present, we thought we'd get it in the detailing bay and give it the full works. It's been in here for literally 6 days, non-stop, wheels off, a lot of paint correction, interior. It's a big one. Just enjoy the vlog. Let us know what you think. We're gonna pass it over to Steve now and he'll start, obviously, explaining what he's doing. Thanks a lot.
Hi guys, welcome back to Motech Performance. My name is Steve, behind the camera is Dylan, and today we are joined by this Porsche Carrera 911 1996 model. Now this car is in for full correction, and as you can see from the B-rolls, the car is pretty dirty. Now the owner has just picked this up, he's enjoyed it for a little bit, and now it's in for its full correction with coatings at the end. So the first thing we're going to do is get this car outside into the wash bay and ready to get decontaminated. So the wash stage and decontamination stage are now complete, and looking at this clay bar, there's no contamination on this car whatsoever. So when the customer picked the car up, the job was pretty much done in terms of decontamination. They've done a really good job of prepping the car before he picked it up. So now the car's all washed, we're going to dry it real quick and then get it back inside to the bay, ready for inspection. So we've gone around the car now with paint depth gauges and lights, and we've noticed that the paintwork is in a bit of a way. Now, there is paint on this car that has been repainted before, especially the bonnet. The bonnet was at about 1,000, where it should be around about 125 to 150 for OEM original paint. So we know it's had a little bit of damage up there, but the paintwork itself doesn't look too bad. So it shouldn't be that much of a problem when it comes to the machine polishing process. There is, however, one other section on this car which is a bit of a cause for concern. So on the other side of the car, on the roof, there is a burn through, which is going to be a bit difficult to work around, but it's there, it's present. Now the customer's got two options: either get the car painted, that little section just there, or grins and bears it, lives with it and gets on with it, which he has chosen to do. So we're going to machine polish around it, be very careful in that section, but the rest of the car looks pretty good. So we're going to get the car taped up now and ready for machine polishing. So that brings us to the end of this detail. So just a little recap on what we've done to this lovely little Porsche. So we took it outside, we washed it, decontaminated it, brought it back inside, and then went round with paint depth inspecting gauges and also our lights. Noticed the car was particularly bad. Went around the car with machine polishing tools, and then we got to coating it. So the paintwork's now sealed up with CSU, Crystal Serum Ultra, for 9 years, and that's a guaranteed protection as well. And then we've gone through the interior, we've got the wheels coated as well, and we've also coated the glass too. So that brings us to the end of this detail. So let's go outside and have a look at the end results.